My name is Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. This is a GE profile dishwasher built in. The customer complaint is once the dishwasher is running, it is vibrating excessively. When she first purchased it, it was really quiet. So we're going to go ahead and run it through a rinse cycle to see what happens. So I'm going to select the rinse here and then go ahead and push the start button. That is actually coming from the drain pump, that noise. I'm taking off the bottom kick plate here just to make sure that there's nothing rubbing against the drain pump or anything else that would be causing the vibration. Now there's two 1/4 inch screws that you have to remove down below. They're hidden pretty well and they are the same color as the dishwasher. Okay, I have narrowed down the issue. The noise is coming from the drain pump. It's vibrating a little bit. Replacing the drain pump might lessen the noise or dampen the noise a little bit, but not much. So if you do find this issue, what we recommend is replacing the pump. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.